Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the 2006 Honda Odyssey cabin air filter. First, turn off the engine and open the glove box fully. Unclip the damper on the right side and lower the glove box until it rests on its stops. Reach behind the lowered glove box to find the rectangular filter housing cover, press the tabs, and pull the old filter straight out for inspection. With the glove box lowered, press both tabs on the rectangular housing cover and remove it carefully. Observe the airflow arrow printed on the old filter. Keep that orientation in mind for the new one. Slide the old filter out slowly and inspect for leaves, dust, or mold. If heavily soiled, plan a replacement immediately to maintain good cabin airflow and reduce odors. Take the new cabin air filter and align the airflow arrow toward the cabin side, then slide it into the housing until it seats fully. Reattach the housing cover and press until both tabs click to ensure a proper seal. Lift the glove box back into position, reconnect the damper, and test by running the fan to confirm steady airflow and no rattles. Disposal of the old filter can be done with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.